Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Today we will study Human Genome Project in this video lesson. Human Genome Project is a part of Unit 7th, Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Genetics. This topic covers a weightage of about 2 to 3 marks in CBSE board exam for class 12th. Human Genome Project was a mega project which was aimed to sequence the genome of human. In 1990, US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health embarked and coordinated on the project of sequencing human genome called HGP or Human Genome Project. Then Wellcome Trust of United Kingdom joined the project as major partner. Later on Japan, France, Germany, China and some other countries also joined it. One of the first scientists to sequence human genome was John Craig Venter. The Human Genome Project was launched on October 1st, 1990 and the project was completed in 2003. Therefore, it was a 13-year-old project. Human Genome Project is called a mega project because huge cost estimated to be 9 billion US dollars. A large number of base pairs, approximately 3 into 10 to the power 9, to be identified and sequenced. And also, a large number of scientists and technical support was required. Storage of data generated in the project was so large that it required approximately 3,300 books of 1,000 pages and each page having 1,000 typed letters. It developed a new science, bioinformatics. That is why it is said to be a mega project. Human Genome Project was aimed to sequence all the base pairs and constitute the human genome as a map. The goals of Human Genome Project can be summarized as it aimed for identification of all 20,000 to 25,000 genes in human DNA and then sequencing approximately 3 billion chemical base pairs that make up the complete human DNA and storing the information in databases. This also required improving tools for data analysis. Then the other goals are transferring related technologies to other sectors such as industries and addressing the ethical, legal and social issues that may arise from the Human Genome Project itself. When it comes to the methodologies used for this project, there are two major approaches for sequencing the human genome. The first was expressed sequence tags that can be abbreviated as ESTs and the another was sequence annotation. In expressed sequence tags or EST, the whole DNA of the cell is isolated and broken into random pieces. Then these random sequences are inserted into specialized vectors like BAC or bacterial artificial chromosomes that is derived from bacterial cell and YAC or yeast artificial chromosome that is derived from yeast cells. These fragments are cloned in suitable hosts or they may be cloned by polymerase chain reaction, a technique which involves amplification of DNA. The another technique, sequence annotation, was developed by Nobel laureate Frederick Sanger. In this technique, the fragments of DNA are first sequenced as annotated DNA. These annotated DNA sequences are then arranged on basis of overlapping fragments. Computer-based programs are used to align the sequences. The sequences are then assigned to different chromosomes and genetic and physical maps of the genes is prepared. At the end of the Human Genome Project, all 22 autosomes and XY chromosomes have been prepared for genetic and physical maps. On the basis of the findings of human genome projects, all the features of human genome has been revealed. The salient features of the human genome can be summarized as: human genome contains 3164.7 million nucleotide bases. An average gene consists of 3000 bases, the largest gene being dystrophin with 2.4 million bases. The total number of genes estimated was 30,000. Almost 99.9% nucleotide bases are exactly the same in all people, and less than 2% of the genome codes for proteins. Rest, about 98% of the genome, is in the form of repeated sequences which code for nothing. These repeated sequences make up large portion of human genome. Repetitive sequences may be repeated 100 to 1000 times. The repeated sequences have no coding functions, but they are useful to study chromosome structure, dynamics, and evolution. The first chromosome has most genes, that is 2968, and Y chromosome has the fewest genes, that is 231. Majority of the differences in the sequences. At approximately 1.4 million locations, the DNA differs in single base pair. Such differences are called SNPs or single nucleotide polymorphism.